Reason why you film.
If you suspect me that I'm a terrorist?
No, because you're refusing to give your name and address.
Yeah, but ask you which under the Terrorism Act?
We're asking you your personal details. You're refusing to give them.
I don't have
to.
to.
Arrested. So you're under arrest. It's
okay.
handcuffs, please. Keep covering for me. It's now 16:25 hours, and you're under arrest. You don't say anything. It may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned.
Today's video is from Auditing Britain. You'll find their link down below. So go show them some support and check out the full clip. He walks up to a police station with a camera. Two officers in plain clothes start tailing him without a word of explanation. Within minutes, he's detained under the Terrorism Act, yes. The actual Terrorism Act for filming a car. By the end of this video, he's in handcuffs, locked in a cell for 5 hours. And one of the very officers who processes him already knows his name. Why? Because this isn't his first run-in with this force and he's already beaten them in court once. Stick around, because what happens next raises some real questions about how much power police actually have to stop you filming in public, and whether they used it correctly here.
Hi. I noticed you were following me. Is there any reason?
Is there a reason why you're filming?
Yes.
Okay, what's that then?
Why are you following me?
Why are you following you? Why are you filming?
Sorry?
Why are you filming?
Police officers.
Yeah.
Shoulder number? I didn't see it. 1527, and you are?
I'm also at the police station.
Shoulder number?
Why are you filming?
Shoulder number?
Why are you filming?
Shoulder number.
That's the question.
Are you a PC?
No, I'm a DC.
I feel like you're a DC, so you need to give me a shoulder number.
My card number is 926.
Thank you. Is there any reason why you're following me?
Is there any reason why you're filming?
Yes.
Okay.
But why are you following me?
Because you're filming. You're filming.
Because I'm filming,
you're
you following me?
the police station, yes.
Anybody that films you just follow them?
It was filming the police station, yes.
Why?
Because we don't know why you're filming the police station. You film from the rear and now you film from the front.
Sir?
So is there a reason why you're filming the police station?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us the reason why you are filming the police station?
Do I have to give you that reason?
You do, yes.
Do I?
You do, yes.
Is that a law I have to give you that? Or?
I'm asking you, politely, why you're filming the back of the police station and filming the front of the police station.
So if you're asking me politely, I don't have to tell you, really, do I?
I'm asking you why you're filming.
So because of that, you just followed me all this time? You know, you caused me alarm and distress with all this following.
You're causing me alarm and distress because I work
Am
in
I?
the building and I want to know why you're filming it. And my uniform colleague here
yeah.
to speak to you.
So,
Yeah, these two ladies, they've been following me for quite a while.
So we've been told that someone, match your description, has been walking around the police station, filming the car.
Well, I came once.
Came once where?
I walked from that way and I just came and it's just
Have you been around the back of the police station at all?
The back?
Yeah.
I came from that way, yeah. Whatever I meant. You tell him what I...
The back being Broomfield Crescent.
Is that what it is?
Broomfield Crescent, yes.
Okay, and I walked all the way.
Where the blue gates are.
Oh, yeah.
And we're police officers.
All right.
We're walking around and we saw you filming from Broomfield into the backyard.
Okay.
We've then followed you around here and you
Yeah.
continue
So
to
whatever she said, yeah.
film at the front of the police station.
So you have been around the back there. Is there a reason why?
Inside? I didn't go inside,
It
no.
doesn't matter inside, around the back.
Around the back?
Yeah.
On public land?
It's not public land, it's
It was the road.
It was public land. I did not go to the back. Let's make it very clear. So,
is
public land.
Is
I was.
there a reason why you're filming through the back gate?
Is there any reason?
Yeah, is there a reason?
Yeah, just to film.
To film what? What's...
Just making a video of the police, that's it.
And where did you put the video? What's it?
Am I being detained, guys?
This is the single most important question in any filming in public encounter. Am I being detained, or am I free to go? It sounds simple, but it's a legal fork in the road. If you're free to go, an officer can't lawfully keep questioning you against your will. If you're detained, they have to tell you the legal power they're using, no vague answers allowed. Watch how long it takes to get a straight answer here. And notice the moment the Terrorism Act gets dropped into the conversation. That's a huge escalation from "why are you filming" to a piece of legislation originally designed to fight terrorism. Do you think invoking that act was proportionate to someone filming a marked car outside a police station, or does this feel like a legal tool being reached for because a simpler answer wasn't available?
No, I'm just asking questions.
Am I free to go?
No, not at the moment.
So I'm being detained?
Information from
I'm
yourself.
asking you questions.
No. Am I being detained?
Well, asking questions about why you're filming.
And I just told
PlayStation
you,
in the back.
I just told you, matters of public interest. I'm making a video over the police. Am I being detained?
You are being detained for questioning, yes.
Which section you detain me
I
under?
have just watched you walk to the front of the police station and film inside that police car.
Correct.
Okay? So we are asking you why you are doing that.
I need to tell me which section you detained me under.
No, I've given you enough.
No.
You've got 2 uniformed colleagues.
Yes.
We've given you identification.
You're the detaining
numbers.
officer?
So we've told you who we are.
Yeah.
I'm DC 926 Joanne Bills. What is your full name and my office?
All right, hang on. Okay, I've heard what you said. I heard absolutely everything.
So what is your name,
name,
please?
Let me just respond to her 1 second, yeah? I've heard everything you said.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you the detaining officer and which section are you detaining me under?
I'm detaining you under the Terrorism Act at this moment in time.
Which section?
Okay. Please give me your name or are you fine to give me your name and address? Because the next step is to arrest you. It's as simple as that.
Hang on, okay. Which section?
Are you
You
failing to give me your name and address?
Officer, listen to what I'm saying.
Yeah, she's telling
Which
you.
you need to tell me which section you detained me under.
I have asked you. You are acting suspiciously.
Okay.
I have a reason
I want
to
to-
question you.
don't
about,
worry, yeah.
I have a reason to question you about it.
Yeah.
You don't need to challenge me. Just simply give my colleague your name, your date of birth,
Okay.
and then we can find out more as to.
All right. Okay. At the moment, I need to know where I'm standing. Yeah. I am detained by a police officer. Okay. I'm not free. Hang on. Let me finish. I'm not free to go. You said you're detaining me under the Terrorism Act. I'm asking you which section are you detaining me under?
And now the stakes get real. It's boiled down to 2 options. Give your name and date of birth, or get arrested. No middle ground offered. This is where a lot of these filming encounters live or die. The person has to decide in seconds whether to comply under pressure or hold their ground on principle, knowing an arrest might follow either way. Notice he never denies filming, he's upfront about it the whole time, framing it as public interest content about policing. The officers, meanwhile, keep circling back to you caused us alarm and distress, which is a much lower legal bar than an actual terrorism-related offense. Do you think alarm and distress from officers is enough justification to invoke anti-terror powers on a member of the public? That's the debate this clip is about to settle or not.
That's it.
Look, are you refusing to get? Simple as this. Okay, you've got 2 options. Give us your details, or you get arrested.
So do I have to give you my details?
Yes.
Under which law?
Under the policing law, if you refuse.
Under what?
If you refuse, I simply arrest you. Not a problem. The
Under
police
which law?
station's right there. I can take you out.
To give you details,
Yeah.
arrested or to ascertain your address and name.
The Terrorism Act.
Colleagues telling you.
So what we want currently from yourself is your name and date of birth, just to run some checks.
Okay.
To make sure everything's fine. And that's
All right.
But other than that, if you don't give those details, we're going to have to arrest you
Right.
under the Terrorism Act because you're filming vehicles.
Yeah.
We have no understanding of why you're doing that, and by arresting, if you don't give details.
All right. Okay. I am filming. Yeah. Around the police station. Yeah. I did not. I was all on public land the whole time. Hang on. Let me finish. The whole time. Okay. I am filming. I'm not denying this. I told you I'm filming matters of public interest. I'm making a not a movie, like a video about the police. It's very difficult to make a video.
You're making a video about the police while you're filming personal vehicles.
I didn't film personal vehicle really. I filmed that.
That's the police station, filming personal vehicles, what my colleagues told me.
It's not illegal to film personal vehicles.
No, but you're causing alarm and distress to some people.
No, I didn't. They caused me alarm distress by following me. Let me finish. Okay. Now, I am right now detained under the Terrorism Act. Okay. By this officer. She didn't tell me. Hang on.
And we just want to ask your.
Let me just
name and
finish.
date of
Let me
birth.
just finish.
You
I
can
know
go
you
through-
want
go through-
to.
go through.
I know you want to. She didn't tell me which section.
You don't need to know the section.
It's not the section.
That's not a piece of legislation we use often. So
Okay.
find the section if you want.
I will
it,
correct. I will
but
tell
you
her
don't
which
need to
section.
know it.
I think it's section 43. Make sure it's section 43. Okay, section 43 of the Terrorism Act does not require me to give you my name and address. Yeah. Hang on. If you have reasonable. Hang on.
Are you refusing your name and address? Because the next step is simply to arrest
And
you.
the
Simple
code
as that.
and code G is to identify persons, and that will be
If
the
you-
reason for arresting
if
you.
you suspect
and
me
to
that-
interview you into reason why you filmed.
If you suspect me that I'm a terrorist.
There it is, the cuffs come out. 16 25 hours. arrested, cautioned, the whole formal process. This is the point of no return in the video. What started as a filming dispute is now a formal criminal justice process, complete with a caution that can be used in court. Whatever your view of how we got here, watch how he responds physically, no resistance, cooperating with the officers even while clearly disputing the legal basis for the arrest. That's actually a smart move if you're ever in this position. Contest the legality with words, not with your body. Comply physically, argue verbally. That's exactly what's about to play out for the next 5 hours.
No, because you're refusing to give your name and address.
Yeah, but asking me to, under the Terrorism Act?
We're asking you your personal details. You're refusing to give them.
I don't
so
have
you'll
to.
be arrested. So, you're under arrest. It's
Okay.
handcuffs, please. Keep covering for me. It's now 16:25 hours and you're under arrest. You don't say anything. It may harm your defence if you do not mention when question something which later on in court you could do say maybe giving evidence.
All right, I'm not going to be aggressive, officer.
Just put your hands
I'm
down.
going to record and I can put it into property brief.
Do you have to put me in cuffs? I can come
Well,
peacefully.
I don't know who you are.
I'll come peacefully, officer.
I understand that, but I don't know who you are.
What it is, I try not to put on too tight.
Yeah, I understand.
I'm a little bit
Do you want to end your
claustrophobic.
recording first?
Let's put
So let's break down what we actually watched. A man filming outside a police station on public land. By his own account, and uncontradicted in this clip, gets tailed by plainclothes officers, questioned, and ultimately arrested under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, a power meant to let officers stop and search people they reasonably suspect of being terrorists. He's held for 5 hours, denied a phone call he says he requested, and eventually released with no charge.